This is Ian from Lean Media. I'm an experienced Shopify seller. I'm going to show you how to update a digital product on your Shopify store. Let's get started. So this is the product we're going to update. I've just changed all the text and the images and stuff, and now I need to update the file itself. So it's a PDF. To update the file, go to the More Actions button, upper right corner, click on that, and then at the very bottom there's a button that says Digital Download. Select that. And you can see there's already a digital download there. So I actually want to replace it. So I'm going to get rid of it first. Click on the More Actions icon. It's 3 dots, Remove File, and then Add Files. So you can drag or drop, but I'm just going to find it on my hard drive because I know exactly where it is. And it is... okay, right here. And then here, production files, and this is the new one. So fulfillment centers, you can have the default download limit. In some cases, you may want to limit it to like 10 attempts or whatever. I found that if you do limit it, you'll probably get support calls because people can't figure it out. Oftentimes, they try to download a PDF onto their phone and they don't know where it's stored. So I just leave it as unlimited. Fulfillment type, sent automatically. That means Shopify will take care of it. And then just press save, and it should be okay. For share updated files, I wouldn't do that if you've made a substantive change, or for instance, let's say you're doing like a yearly almanac or something like that, and you want people to buy the new one. So don't do that unless it's like a minor update and you just want to make sure that existing customers get a corrected file. I'm not going to share it, and it should be good to go. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it, follow me. See you next time.